If you want to reuse your existing forms on a new WordPress site, Gravity Forms makes it easy to export and import your forms in seconds. Open the WordPress dashboard for the site that contains your existing forms and select the Import/Export Forms option. From here, you can choose the forms you'd like to export and select Download Export File. Then head to the WordPress dashboard for your new site and make sure Gravity Forms is installed. Importantly, you'll want to also make sure you install and activate the appropriate Gravity Forms add-ons that you used on your first site to ensure your forms function properly on your new site. Once your add-ons are set up, select Import/Export and then choose Import Forms. From here, you can select the JSON file you downloaded previously. Additionally, you have the option to import the images used in your forms to your media library. Then simply select Import. Once your forms are imported, you'll be given the option to view all your forms. One important thing to note is that you'll need to recreate any feeds used by your forms on your new site, as feeds cannot be imported or exported between sites. Once you've set your feeds up, you'll be all set to start using your existing forms on your new site. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. Thanks as always for watching. See you in the next video.